In this video, we will show you how to get precise suggestions in Contextminds. When researching, you don't have to enter a search query every time you are looking for something. Contextminds will automatically show you suggestions in the search sidebar based on your whiteboard or currently selected items. That is useful for getting inspiration when you are not sure what to search for or researching further an item that is already on your whiteboard. Getting suggestions based on your whole map. When no items are selected on your whiteboard and the search bar is empty, Contextminds shows suggestions in the search sidebar based on the whole context of your map. Click anywhere on the whiteboard, see how the suggestions in the left search sidebar adapt to the all current items on the whiteboard. It takes into account all topics, keywords, questions, articles, and headings on your whiteboard. Other item types, content styles, frames, and sticky notes are not part of the search context. If you add items from the search bar to the whiteboard, the search results do not change right away, so you can continue browsing them. If you want to get new results reflecting the updated whiteboard, just click anywhere on the whiteboard outside the items. Getting suggestions based on a selected item. When you select an item on your map, it will be used as a query for the search sidebar. This is useful for more in-depth research of items you already added to your whiteboard. Note: this works for selecting topics, keywords, questions, headings, and articles. If you select another item type, the whole map will be used as the search query, as it does not make sense to search based on your sticky notes or frame labels. Instead of selecting just one, you can select multiple items and use all of them as the search query. To select multiple items, hold down Shift and click on them one by one, or hold down left mouse button while holding Shift and draw a rectangle around all items you want to select. It is useful to find out what the topics have in common or find a topic linking them together. The best way to search. Here is a typical search workflow that will help you get started. Start with entering a general search query. That will help you gather the first few key topics or keywords on the whiteboard. Select each of them and browse the suggestions in the search bar, gathering more detailed topics and keywords. If you stop getting interesting suggestions, or whenever you are not sure about what to search for, click on the whiteboard and browse suggestion for your whole map. And voila! Your map is ready for draft generation or anything else you need.